Hello everybody, welcome back here to another Photoshop tutorial. What we're doing today is just creating a sun flare. We already have a sun here, which is going to be easy to work off of. So we're going to go into Photoshop, and the first thing we're going to do is click Ctrl J to add that new layer. Now what we're going to do is go over to our paintbrush and make sure it's on white. Come to onto our canvas here, and we're going to right click and bring the size up to 3000. And the hardness needs to be at 0. So from here what we're going to do is come down to the bottom right and click on this little page up to create a blank layer. We'll click in the middle of the screen because we want to make sure we have that whole thing in. And then Ctrl J and we'll double that layer. Now we're going to hold Control and click on it. Now we have both layers selected. We'll go over to where it says Normal, make it Linear Dodge, and I'll show you why we do this in a few minutes. Now we're going to do Control T, and this will allow us to move both layers around as we want. I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit bigger and put it a little bit higher than the sun. I'll place it about right there. Go ahead and click the check mark. So from here, we're going to go to our layer 2 copy and click down here and click hue and saturation. We'll click colorize. It's going to select everything. Make the hue 34 and saturation all the way up. We just click the X and that's set. Now we want to double this layer, so we'll click Ctrl J. And we're going to click and drag one of these, does not matter which one, in between layer 2 copy and layer 2. Now what we're going to make these do is select just one. So we'll hold Alt, and that's going to only affect this copy, and hold Alt here and click, and that's only going to affect this copy. Now go up here, and we'll click on this one, and we'll take our lightness, and we can bring it down to wherever we see fit. I'll bring mine about -83. I'll scroll down and do this one. Sometimes you need to go back and forth a little bit, play with it. I'll go back up to this first one. Maybe change it, bring it to about, -83 actually, I like it. So now we'll merge these. We'll click Control E and click on this one, Control E. And now we can do fill. What that's going to do is change just a little bit of how well we can see it. And then we can bring opacity up or down as much as we would like. And now we have our sun flare. We can merge those two together. Or actually, we can leave them separate. It's a little brighter when we leave them separate. And this is without. This is with. And it really adds that nice sun to the picture. It really brightens everything up. Alright, thank you all so much, and I'll see you all next time.